Hi class, my name is Carolin James and this is my presentation on SEL. For question number one, do I believe I have a growth mindset? Yes, I absolutely do believe I have a growth mindset. I do believe that my abilities can grow. If I put my mind to it, and that's if anybody puts their mind to it, I do believe that you can learn anything and your mind can grow. Absolutely. Which then leads us to number two, self-efficacy. Do I believe whether or not my belief in my own ability has an impact on my outcome? And again, that's absolutely yes, because it's related with the growth mindset. Once I believe I can learn it, I will learn it. And it's a lot of times learning is about learning in small batches, or learning the foundations and then building on building blocks, basically. So I think that as long as a person believes that they can do it and then believes that they have the ability to do it, they will definitely do it. And I have that. I have both the growth mindset and self-efficacy because, again, I think that I can do it, and so I do it. And I believe that I have the ability to do it. Next question is about self-management, and do I control my thoughts and behaviors? I like to say yes. It gets the best of us, I'm sure. Um, our emotions can get away with us sometimes. But for the most part, absolutely, I do try to regulate my emotions, my thoughts. I manage and control my emotions for sure. Thoughts are sometimes they can also, we can get lost in thoughts sometimes, and we can run away with some thoughts. So it's really important to push out the negative thoughts and to change any negative way of thinking about yourself or around you to a positive way. It's really important because that is actually very closely related to self-efficacy and growth mindset. Because again, what you can believe is what you can end up doing. And so if you limit yourself with your thoughts, then you're limiting yourself and your ability to grow as well. And the last question, when have I seen a situation from someone else's perspective or shown empathy for a fellow human being? Currently, I work in the juvenile detention hall with justice, uh, with youth facing criminal justice issues. And, being a non-traditional student myself, and having had a um, kind of not a troubled youth, but a struggling youth, I do believe, I can relate with them, which helps me empathize with them. Some teachers come in and are strictly focused on academics and just want them to do the work, and they're automatically resistant. But when I come in, I try to get to know them. I talk to them. Everybody has a story, really. Behavior tells us a story. So if they're acting up, we need to find out why they're acting up. And then I empathize with them because I know exactly where they're coming from. Life's not always easy. It's not always peaches and cream. And so I think it's really just important to show students, especially, other people struggling, that yes, we may fall on hard times, but things get better, and you have to believe that it will get better. And I say that, from experience. So even on the street, when I see a homeless person or someone, facing hardship, I remember how it is to struggle, and, it hurts. So I like to always spread kindness. And I believe that kindness also promotes growth. So that was my presentation. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.